4 letters that supposedly explain you from 12 minutes of questions. About half of people who retake this kind of test get different letters. This is MISA Reviews. So this is the open source psychometrics project. It runs free versions of the tests everyone knows. A Jungian type scale that gives you the 4 letters, the Big Five that psychologists actually use, and around 40 others. No account, no upsell, no premium report at the end. You answer sliders, agree to disagree, and get a detailed breakdown rather than a sales page. And unlike the polished commercial versions, this one prints its own health warning. The tests are for education and entertainment, and they are not clinically administered. Which brings us to the 4 letters themselves. Retake an MBTI-style test a few weeks later, and roughly half of people come out a different type. That is Pittenger, 1993, and it has been replicated since. A measurement that changes while the thing being measured has not, is not measuring much. The sorting is the flaw. Those dimensions are continuous in the data, not 2 humps, so most people sit near the middle. Being called an extrovert can come down to 2 answers. And the 4 letters predict job performance weekly next to the 5 traits researchers use, which this same site tests. Free. 7 out of 10. Free, honest about its own limits, no premium wall. Losing points because the 4-letter model it faithfully reproduces is the weak one. Do this. Take the type test, then take the Big Five on the same site, and notice which report tells you something you could act on. And never let 4 letters decide a career. If that saved you an identity crisis, hit like and subscribe to MISA Reviews, and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.